Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best air fryers of 2024. If you're looking to make healthier, delicious meals with ease, these air fryers are game changers. We've researched and tested the latest models to bring you the ultimate guide. Stay tuned to discover which air fryer suits your kitchen needs and culinary desires best. Number 5. Cosori TurboBlaze. The Cosori TurboBlaze 6.0 quart air fryer is a remarkable kitchen appliance that redefines healthy and efficient cooking. Designed with eco-friendliness in mind, this air fryer features an advanced DC motor that cooks up to 46% faster, saving both time and energy. Its large 6-quart capacity makes it ideal for preparing meals for the entire family, accommodating everything from main courses to side dishes with ease. The angled control panel is user-friendly, allowing for simple adjustments and operation. With 9-in-1 cooking functions, this air fryer offers incredible versatility, enabling you to air fry, roast, bake, and more, with a temperature range spanning from 90 degrees to 450 degrees. One of the standout features of the Cosori TurboBlaze is its ability to cook with up to 95% less oil, promoting healthier eating without compromising on taste or texture. Cleaning up is hassle-free thanks to the dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate. Additionally, the non-stick accessories ensure that food doesn't stick, making maintenance effortless. Safety is paramount with the Cosori TurboBlaze trademark, featuring automatic shut-off and overheat protection to prevent accidents. At a price of $119.99, this air fryer offers tremendous value, blending advanced technology with practical features. Access to a variety of online recipes ensures you'll never run out of culinary inspiration. Number 4. Ultenic K20. The Ultenic K20 Dual Basket Air Fryer is an advanced appliance that transforms the way you cook, offering a perfect blend of speed, versatility, and health benefits. Powered by a robust 2,850-watt motor, this air fryer boasts a substantial 7.6-liter capacity, making it suitable for serving 2 to 8 people. Its dual basket design allows for simultaneous cooking, effectively halving your meal prep time and providing more space and choices for various dishes. The intelligent touchscreen interface ensures easy operation, letting you adjust the cooking time from 1 to 60 minutes and temperatures ranging from 80 degrees to 200 degrees. This precision control is complemented by the air fryer's ability to cook up to 60% faster than traditional ovens, making it an excellent choice for busy households. The Ultenic K20 is not just an air fryer, it offers multiple cooking functions including roasting, preheating, max crisp, baking, and dehydrating. The appliance also includes a dried fruits mode, expanding your culinary possibilities. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the oil-free frying capability, which reduces oil content by up to 90% while preserving more nutrients in your food. With over 100 online recipes available, you'll never run out of meal ideas. Weighing just 6.8 kilograms, the Ultenic K20 is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Priced at $129.99, the Ultenic K20 Dual Basket Air Fryer is a versatile and efficient addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Cuisinart Air-200. The Cuisinart Air-200 Basket Air Fryer is a high-performance appliance designed to make healthy cooking easier and more efficient. With a powerful 1,800-watt motor, this air fryer boasts a generous 6-quart internal capacity, making it ideal for family-sized meals. The adjustable temperature can reach up to 450 degrees, and the up to 60-minute timer includes an auto-pause function when the basket is removed, enhancing safety and convenience. This versatile appliance features 5 cooking functions of air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm, eliminating the need for preheating and streamlining your cooking process. The digital display includes 5 preset options specifically for air frying, including settings for French fries, wings, frozen snacks, vegetables, and leftovers. A large viewing window with an interior light allows you to monitor your food as it cooks. A standout feature of the Cuisinart Air-200 is the toss reminder, which alerts you to flip your food halfway through the cooking cycle for even results. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe crisper basket makes cleanup a breeze, while Whisper quiet operation ensures a peaceful kitchen environment. Priced at $149.95, the Cuisinart Air-200 includes an air fry basket and crisper plate, offering excellent value for its advanced features. Number 2. Instant Versazone. The Instant Versazone air fryer brings unparalleled flexibility and efficiency to your kitchen. Its innovative 8-in-1 functionality and proprietary Versazone technology allow you to cook in a single 9-quart zone or split into dual 4.5-quart zones, each with independent controls. This dual basket option is perfect for preparing different dishes simultaneously. Synchronized cooking is a standout feature, with SyncCook enabling identical settings for both baskets and SyncFinish allowing different settings to complete cooking at the same time. The Even Crisp technology ensures perfect golden finishes and crispy, tender results every time by driving airflow from top to bottom. The air fryer's one-touch smart programs simplify cooking, offering customizable presets for wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. With fast preheating, you can go from frozen to golden in minutes, with a versatile temperature range from 95 degrees to 450 degrees. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry baskets, cooking trays, and divider. Built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto-off provide peace of mind. Priced at $199.95, the Instant Versazone air fryer is a kitchen must-have for quick, delicious meals and side dishes. Number 1. Dreo ChefMaker. The Dreo ChefMaker revolutionizes home cooking by bringing world-class culinary techniques to your kitchen. With a 6-quart capacity and 3 professional cooking modes, this advanced appliance caters to both everyday meals and gourmet dishes. Featuring Combi-Cook multi-stage cooking technology, the ChefMaker utilizes the same techniques employed by celebrity chefs. Its precise temperature probe, combined with insights from food scientists and a custom algorithm, ensures perfect cooking results every time. This smart cooking experience is designed to make your kitchen endeavors simpler and more efficient. Backed with user-friendly features, the ChefMaker boasts a 4.3-inch display and intuitive interface, making meal preparation straightforward and enjoyable. The appliance eliminates the need for preheating thanks to super convection heating, which speeds up the cooking process. Cleanup is also a breeze with its dishwasher-safe design. One of the standout features is the see-through glass basket, allowing you to monitor your meal without opening the basket, ensuring optimal cooking conditions are maintained. Priced at $359, the Dreo ChefMaker offers a comprehensive cooking solution, combining advanced technology with ease of use to deliver consistently delicious results. Whether you're a novice or an experienced cook, the ChefMaker transforms your kitchen into a culinary haven. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best air fryers of 2024. If you enjoyed the video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Leave a comment below on which air fryer you're excited to try.